Hey there, travel lovers. Welcome back to Hack Trip Easy. Today, we're embarking on a vibrant journey through Spain, a country that's rich in history, culture, and mouth-watering cuisine. Whether you're dreaming of exploring the architectural wonders of Barcelona, indulging in authentic tapas in Madrid, or soaking up the sun on the beautiful beaches of the Costa del Sol, this episode has got you covered. In the next few minutes, we'll share essential travel hacks you need to know before you go, from how to prepare for your trip and the best times to visit, to must-see destinations and delicious dishes you can't miss. Plus, we'll arm you with tips on how to avoid travel scams and ensure your adventure is as smooth as possible. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of traveling to Spain like a pro and make your trip unforgettable, stick around. Let's dive into your ultimate travel guide for Spain. Spain's history extends over 1,500 years, marked by diverse cultural influences. Roman civilization significantly impacted the Iberian Peninsula, leaving lasting legacies. Moorish rule introduced advanced knowledge and architectural styles from North Africa. Christian kingdoms gradually reclaimed territory, shaping Spain's religious identity. This cultural fusion is reflected in Spain's unique architecture and traditions. Spain's diverse heritage makes it a distinctive cultural destination in Europe. Spain is the fourth largest country in Europe by land area. The country features a diverse range of landscapes. These landscapes include the Pyrenees Mountains in the north. Spain also boasts extensive coastlines along the Mediterranean Sea. Its strategic location has historically positioned it as a crossroads of civilizations. Prior to traveling to Spain, travelers should check the latest travel restrictions. Travelers should also verify visa requirements. Spain is a member of the Schengen area. The Schengen area has specific entry conditions for non-EU citizens. Travelers should ensure they meet all requirements before departure. Passport must be valid for international travel to Spain. Ensure the passport's expiration date is checked before departure. Spain requires a minimum passport validity of 6 months beyond the planned stay. This 6-month validity rule is a common requirement for international travel. Travelers should verify their passport's validity to avoid potential entry issues. Comprehensive travel insurance is essential for international trips. It covers unforeseen health emergencies that may arise during travel. The insurance also provides financial protection against trip cancellations. It includes coverage for theft or loss of personal belongings, offering peace of mind. Barcelona is celebrated for its distinctive architecture, notably the works of Antoni Gaudí. Gaudí's innovative design and artistic vision are prominently displayed in landmarks like the Sagrada Familia. Park Güell is another significant example of Gaudí's unique architectural style and artistic expression. These sites attract countless visitors, drawn to their artistic and architectural significance. The Sagrada Familia and Park Güell stand as enduring symbols of Barcelona's cultural identity. Madrid is a vibrant capital city known for its rich cultural offerings. The city boasts world-class museums, including the renowned Prado Museum. The Prado Museum is a major cultural attraction in Madrid. Madrid is characterized by its bustling plazas. The city offers a lively and engaging cultural scene. Madrid's cultural scene attracts visitors from around the globe. Seville is renowned for its vibrant flamenco dancing tradition. The city also boasts historical sites such as the Giralda Tower. Another prominent landmark is the Alcazar of Seville. These attractions highlight Seville's rich Andalusian heritage. Flamenco and historical sites are integral to Seville's cultural identity. Together, they offer a glimpse into the city's past and present. San Sebastián is renowned for its distinctive culinary tradition centered around pintexos. Pintexos are Basque-style small plates, similar to Spanish tapas, but with unique regional variations. These small plates offer a diverse range of flavors and ingredients, showcasing Basque gastronomy. The city provides a rich and immersive gastronomic experience, attracting food enthusiasts from around the world. Tapas are small, diverse dishes originating from Spain. They are designed to offer a sample of Spanish cuisine's various flavors. Tapas can include a wide array of ingredients, from olives and cheeses. Seafood and meats are also commonly featured in tapas. This variety provides a comprehensive culinary experience in small portions. Paella is a traditional saffron-infused rice dish. It is a signature dish of Valencia, Spain. Paella commonly includes seafood or chicken as key ingredients. It is cooked and served in a large, shallow pan. Jamón ibérico is a type of cured ham. It is commonly found throughout Spain. It is highly valued for its rich and distinctive flavor. Jamón ibérico is frequently served as a tapa. Churros are a popular sweet treat enjoyed in many cultures. They are commonly served with a thick chocolate sauce for dipping. Churros are often consumed for breakfast or as a snack. Their versatility makes them a delightful option at any time of day. The combination of fried dough and chocolate creates a satisfying flavor. Gazpacho is a cold soup, perfectly suited for consumption during the summer. It is made from a blend of raw vegetables. Gazpacho is a traditional dish in Andalusian cuisine. The soup's ingredients are blended together without cooking. Booking through reputable vendors is crucial for accommodations, tours, and transport. Reputable vendors are more likely to provide reliable and quality service. Using established vendors reduces the potential for scams or fraudulent activities. This ensures a safer and more trustworthy travel experience. Prioritizing reputable vendors helps guarantee the quality and security of travel arrangements. Street performers often attract large crowds, especially in tourist areas. Pickpockets frequently operate within these crowded environments. Vigilance is crucial when observing street performances. Keep a close watch on personal belongings to prevent theft. Awareness of surroundings is the best defense against potential pickpockets. For safe transportation, utilize official taxi services. Alternatively, use established ride-sharing applications. These options offer regulated and accountable transport. Avoid unofficial taxis as they may overcharge passengers. Unofficial taxis can also pose potential safety risks. Spring in Spain, spanning from April to June, provides agreeable weather conditions. This season is characterized by milder temperatures and increased sunshine. Spring offers a less crowded travel experience compared to peak summer months. The reduced number of tourists allows for a more intimate exploration of the country. It is an ideal period to discover Spain's diverse cities and scenic landscapes. The pleasant climate enhances outdoor activities and sightseeing opportunities. Fall season spans from September to November. Fall offers comfortable temperatures for travel. There are fewer tourists during the fall months. Fall is suitable for outdoor activities. The weather is pleasant for sightseeing. Fall provides similar benefits to other seasons. La Tomatina is a tomato-throwing festival. The festival takes place in August. It is considered a unique cultural experience. Participation requires advanced planning. Travel arrangements should align with the festival dates. La Tomatina offers a distinctive cultural activity. Semana Santa, or Holy Week, is an important religious festival celebrated in the spring. The festival is characterized by elaborate processions. It also includes a variety of cultural events. These processions and events often reflect local traditions and religious practices. Semana Santa is a time of reflection and community celebration. Comfortable walking shoes are essential for exploring Spain. Spain is best experienced on foot due to its pedestrian-friendly cities. Many Spanish cities feature extensive pedestrian zones designed for walking. Historical sites are often best accessed and appreciated by walking. Wearing comfortable shoes enhances the overall experience of exploring these areas. Layered clothing is essential for adapting to fluctuating temperatures. This approach is particularly useful during transitional seasons. Layering provides flexibility in adjusting to changing weather conditions. Adding or removing layers helps maintain comfort in varying temperatures. Effective layering ensures adaptability throughout the day. A travel adapter is crucial for charging electronics in countries with different plug standards. Spain uses the European standard plug, which differs from many other countries. Without an adapter, devices from countries with different plug types cannot be charged. Ensure the travel adapter is compatible with the voltage requirements of your devices. Using the correct adapter prevents damage to devices and ensures safe charging. Acquiring a travel adapter is a necessary step before traveling to Spain. Spain is a country known for its rich history and diverse culture. It also boasts a wide array of culinary experiences. The country offers stunning natural beauty across its various regions. Effective preparation is key to a memorable and enriching travel experience in Spain. And there you have it, folks. We've explored some incredible travel hacks to help you make the most out of your journey to Spain. From choosing the best time to visit and navigating local cuisines to knowing how to avoid those pesky travel scams, you're now equipped with the essential tools for a fantastic Spanish adventure. Remember, whether you're wandering through the bustling streets of Madrid, basking under the sun in Barcelona, or enjoying the rich history of Seville, every moment counts. Don't forget to immerse yourself in the culture, connect with the locals, and, of course, capture those unforgettable memories. If you found this episode helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Hack Trip Easy for more travel tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so drop a comment below and share your favorite travel hacks or destinations in Spain. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, keep exploring and happy travels.